Welcome to Learnglish. If you are learning English, you have to know the difference between these words have to and must. Are they exactly the same? Not always. Let's find out together. Here's a quick challenge for you. In this case, which one do you use? You must wear a uniform at school, or you have to wear a uniform at school. If you are not sure why, by the end of this video, you know the reason. Keep watching. Must is a personal obligation. We often use must when the speaker feels something is necessary and important. I must finish my homework tonight. You must be careful. So be careful. When the speaker feels it is necessary, we use must. But have to is an external obligation. We often use have to when a rule and situation makes it necessary. I have to wear a uniform at school. I have to wake up early for school. So be careful, when the situation makes it necessary, we use have to. Be careful not to make this mistake. Mustn't and don't have to aren't the same. Mustn't means not allowed, but don't have to means not necessary. You mustn't use your phone during the exam. You don't have to bring your book. Now let's try. This example shows that something which is not allowed, so the correct answer is mustn't. 2. In this example, the speaker feels something is important to do, so the correct answer is must. In this situation, the speaker knows that there is a rule, so the correct answer is have to.